Today's topic for discussion is about practical of algae, and name of the practical is study of the genus Nostoc. Nostoc, it is a blue-green algae. Let us see how to do the practical of Nostoc. What is the requirement of practical? Let us see. We require a pure culture of Nostoc genus, that algae, and we need dropper, needle, slide, cover slip, blotting paper, brush, glycerol, and the microscope. These are the things we require for the practical purpose. Okay, what we have to do during practical, what is the procedure, how is the procedure of the practical? Nostoc culture is given to you. You have to remove a filament of the nostoc. Nostoc, it is a filamentous algae. It is an unbranched algae, and always it occurs in the form of mucilaginous ball, a ball-like structure which float on the water surface, which is sticky, that consists of nostoc filaments, and those filaments you have to mount in a drop of glycerol. Okay, remove the fused filaments with the help of needle or with the help of zero size brush, and mount the filament in a drop of glycerol. Okay, cover up with the cover slip and observe this slide under the microscope. This is a temporary slide. Let us observe the slide under microscope. Let us see the details. This nostoc, it is an algae that survive in freshwater ponds, lake, ditches. It is very common, and it occurs in a colony or in the form of mucilaginous ball, and that mucilaginous ball consists of numerous nostoc filaments. Okay, and that sticky substance, that is known as mucilage. And what you have to observe under microscope is that the filaments of the nostoc. The filaments of nostoc that are unbranched and that consist of a series of cells that are arranged one above the other. These things we have to observe under microscope. The entire filament of nostoc is protected by a mucilage layer which is secreted by the cells of its own filament. Even the mucilage we can observe. And all the vegetative cells of nostoc filament are morphologically similar in size and shape, except some enlarged cells which are called as heterocyst. That means in the filament of nostoc there are two types of cells, vegetative cells and heterocyst. Heterocyst, it is somewhat enlarged cell, we can see under microscope, and the position of the heterocyst, it may be terminal, that means that occurs at the end of the filament, or it may be subterminal, or it may be present at the middle region of the filament, that we can see under microscope, and we have to note the position of the heterocyst in the filament. Okay, next. The heterocyst, that is protected by two layered cell wall, and there are two polar nodules in each heterocyst that we can see under microscope, and only one polar nodule occurs in heterocyst which is present at the terminal position. Okay, and the heterocyst, it is the enlarged cell present in the filament of nostoc that helps in nitrogen fixation. This is the function of heterocyst. Okay, the cell wall of the nostoc, it is made up of cellulose. Okay, all these are the details of the nostoc filament. We have prepared slide and we have observed under microscope, and all these details you have to write in your notebook. This is the first photograph. This is the colony of nostoc, and the entire colony is embedded in the mucus like mucoid substance which is also known as sheath, and these are to the right side, these are the filaments. And second photograph, it has, there are vegetative cells are shown in the photograph, and some cells, they are enlarged cells or slightly larger cells which are called heterocyst, that are also shown in the photograph. Okay. Thank you very much.